Should you invest or pay off debt first? Most people get this completely wrong. Here is the simple rule. If your debt interest rate is above 7%, pay it off first. Credit cards at 20% are costing you more than any investment will earn you. If your debt is below 7%, do both. Pay debt and invest simultaneously. But always get your full employer retirement match first. That is an instant 50 to 100% return. Nothing beats it. Debt above 7%. Destroy it first. Below 7%, invest and pay together. That one rule saves most people thousands of dollars. Share this with someone who needs to hear it today. Follow Grow Your Wealth for daily money tips that actually work. Subscribe now.